Hey guys, in this video, I will show how to make any type of hosting, like Minecraft Java/PE Node.js server, Python and all. So first go to your Pterodactyl panel, go to Nest and click on Import Egg Select File and select Nest for Node.js. You can make another nest, but I will user source nest and click Import and done your Node.js. Hosting done, so I will show an example. Go to Server, click New Server, and go down select Nest and Egg Show. I will select Node.js and put the all details and click Create. After creating, open and put your file. I am just showing, for example, show put and fill all details and start. I am making a GIF bot. After that, go to Server. In that your bot is invited. You can see my bot is online and working. This is a GIF bot. I have uploaded this bot, Cord, but change name, .env, .example, file to .env. After that, put token and start. So, one more thing. By uploading egg, you can make every type of server. So this egg you can get from a website. I will give link in description. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.